In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Tasks to manage your team. We'll do everything right inside Google Chat so your conversations and action items live in the same place. Start by opening Google Chat in your browser or the desktop or mobile app and head into the space where your team already collaborates. Using a shared space keeps tasks visible to everyone and prevents follow-ups from getting lost in one-to-one messages. If your space doesn't include all the right people yet, use the Add Members option. Search for your teammates, select them, and then click Add to bring them into the space. Invite only the colleagues who need visibility or responsibility for this work. This keeps notifications relevant and the task list focused. If you're not seeing the option to add members, you may not have permission, so check with your Workspace admin or a space manager. With your space ready, look for Assign Tasks in the Space toolbar. This opens the task panel for the space. Choose Add a Task to Space to create a new shared task. Give the task a clear, action-oriented title. Think Draft Q2 Report Outline instead of Report, so owners know exactly what to deliver. In the Details field, add essential context, what done looks like, links to documents or folders, and any constraints the assignee should know about. Keep it concise but complete. Details save back and forth later. Next, add a date and optional time. A due date gives everyone a shared timeline, and setting a time helps with reminders and time zone clarity. The date will also surface in Google Tasks and, if configured, on the assignee's Google Calendar. Then choose Assign and select the teammate who owns the work. Assigning ensures clear accountability and sends the person a notification in chat and in their tasks list. When everything looks right, click Save. The task appears in the space so the whole team can see what's planned, who's responsible, and when it's due. That's the core workflow. Open your team space, make sure the right people are added, use Assign Tasks, add a task to the space, write a precise title, include helpful details, set a date and time, assign the owner, and save. A quick tip as you repeat this: aim for one task per deliverable, use consistent naming so lists stay scannable, and put links in the Details field to keep work centralized. Follow this flow every time, and you'll turn your Google Chat space into a reliable, shared task hub powered by Google Tasks.